Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Welcome to our series where we explore the world of maintenance management. In today's video, we're going to share 10 insightful tips on how to effectively use a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, for restaurant maintenance. You'll learn how to streamline repairs, manage your maintenance budget, and enhance your customer experience with precise and proactive maintenance. Stick around to discover how to make the most out of your CMMS. Running a successful restaurant isn't just about great food, fast service, and a pleasant ambiance. Behind the scenes, maintenance is a critical component that directly impacts the customer experience. That's why it's crucial for restaurants to consider implementing a computerized maintenance management system to streamline repairs and maintenance issues. Today, we're sharing 10 tips on how to use a CMMS for restaurant maintenance. First up, it's vital to respond swiftly to reactive maintenance issues. Malfunctions and breakdowns are inevitable in the restaurant business. Whether it's kitchen equipment, dining room furnishings, or HVAC systems, maintenance issues need to be addressed immediately. A mobile CMMS app can be a lifesaver here, enabling any team member to report a maintenance issue, which can then be sent directly to the maintenance technician or management for priority action. Secondly, don't forget to schedule preventive maintenance tasks. It's always less expensive and less stressful to prevent problems than to fix them. A CMMS can help you take care of your critical kitchen assets. Regularly schedule cleaning, inspecting, and maintaining key equipment, especially your freezers and refrigeration units. Thirdly, a CMMS can be a powerful tool to manage your maintenance budget. By tracking and monitoring your expenses and revenue, you'll be able to understand the cost of repairs and maintenance better. You can also use it to analyze the cost of an in-house technician versus using outside contractors. The fourth tip is to use your CMMS to coordinate outside vendors. Store and manage everything from vendor quotes and contracts to ongoing charges and discounts, all in one place. This makes it easy to analyze historical data and compare vendor performance and prices. Fifth, compare your maintenance costs with industry standards. Most restaurants budget 1 to 3% of revenue for maintenance and repair. A CMMS can help you calculate your maintenance costs as a percentage of sales and compare your spending with other similar restaurants. Moving on to the sixth tip, use data to decide whether to repair or replace equipment. Historic CMMS data can tell you which pieces of equipment are costing you too much in ongoing repairs. This information can help you determine when it's time to replace critical assets. Seventh, a CMMS can generate automatic work orders. Whether you're dealing with an emergency issue or scheduling preventive maintenance, work orders can be created in priority order. If you're running multiple restaurant locations, a CMMS can help you coordinate maintenance activities and manage work orders efficiently. The eighth tip is to use your CMMS to provide transparency into repair progress. Management can see exactly who is repairing or servicing equipment and when changes are made. This information can be used to generate reports, which can inform better overall business decisions. Ninth, a CMMS can improve communication. Management, kitchen staff, and servers can all enter maintenance issues into the app. Since all the information is in one place, it's easy to track the progress of work orders and ensure that requests haven't been forgotten or prioritized incorrectly. And finally, the 10th tip is to use your CMMS to increase accountability. By tracking who is doing what and when, management can easily see if a technician is not following through. Plus, potential problems can be identified and addressed more quickly. So there you have it, 10 tips on how to use a CMMS for restaurant maintenance. Implementing these strategies can significantly contribute to your restaurant's bottom line and enhance the overall customer experience. And that's a wrap. Thank you for watching this video on how to effectively use a CMMS for restaurant maintenance. We've covered everything from swift response to maintenance issues, scheduling preventive tasks, managing your budget, coordinating vendors, comparing costs with industry standards, using data for equipment decisions, generating automatic work orders, providing repair progress transparency, improving communication, and increasing accountability. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our services, please visit upkeep.com.